Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to hide your photos on Facebook using the latest version of the app. Whether you want to keep certain pictures private or simply control who sees what, these quick steps will help you protect your privacy in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, go straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture or your name at the top. This brings you to your personal page, where all your activity, posts, and photos are displayed. Next, scroll down to the Photos section. Here, you'll see all your albums and pictures, including those you've uploaded and those you've been tagged in. Take a moment to find the photo you want to hide. Tap on it to open it fully on your screen. Now, look to the top right corner of the photo. You'll notice 3 small dots. That's the Options icon. Tap on those dots, and a menu will appear with several choices. From there, select Edit Post Privacy. This is where you can control exactly who can see that photo on your Facebook account. Once you tap Edit Post Privacy, you'll see several audience options. These usually include Public, Friends, and Only Me. If you want the photo to be completely private, choose Only Me. This means no one else on Facebook will be able to view that picture except you. Finally, save your changes. Facebook will briefly update the settings, and once it's done, that photo will be hidden from everyone else's view. You can repeat these steps for any other pictures you want to keep private. It's that simple. With just a few quick taps, you've taken control of your Facebook privacy. Remember, you can always go back and adjust these settings whenever you like. Managing your online visibility is an important part of staying safe and comfortable on social media. Thanks for watching.